चलो, गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, sir.
Exercise
7.2.
7.2. Heading 7.2. Question number 1. Question number.
1.
All are very small question, so you can able to do very fast. Just see their formula and say, at least see and say.
Sir.
Heading saying question number 1. Find the coordinate of the point which divides the line -1, 7 and 4, -3. 4,
-3.
in the ratio 2:3. In the ratio
2:3.
2:3 means you should find this point P, Q, R. Assume this is X and Y. This is X1, Y1, X2, Y2. We should find X and Y. We should find X and Y. One time I am writing the formula. Now I am writing the formula. Next time I will not write. Correct. So just remember, this is M, this is N. I told this one will go this side. Yes, na? And this one will go
This side.
this side. Means X is equal to mx2 plus nx1, right, by m plus n. M plus n. And y is equal to how much? M y2 m
Y2.
plus n y1 by m plus n. Understood? Correct na? Now just put the value. X is equal to m is how much? Speak. M is how much?
2.
Shall I say one time? M is 2, n is 3, x2 is 4, x2, y2 is -3, x1 is -1, y1 is 7. Correct? Now at least say m is 2, x2 is how much?
-3.
x2.
More 4.
At least see a straight
4.
into 4 plus n is how much?
3.
x1 is how much?
-1.
-1 by m plus n. M is how much?
2.
N is 3. Done this one.
Yes, sir.
Now y is equal to m is how much? M
2.
y2
4.
y2
-3.
-3. At least C. Then plus n is how much?
3.
y1
1. -1.
Sir.
y1
7.
by m plus n. 2 plus
3.
3. Simplify. 4 to the 8. 8 minus 3. 4 to the
8.
minus 3. 8 minus 3 is
5.
by 5. 1.
Sir.
This one. Minus 6. Minus 6. Plus 21. Minus 6.
Plus
21.
Plus 21. 15. 15 by 5.
15 by 12.
So we get x and
1.
y. Yes, na? So your coordinate r will be 1, 3. Done? Yes or no? Next. Question number 2. Saying find the coordinate of the point of trisection. Point of trisection. Yesterday we did one question on trisection. Right? So here points are given. Question number 2, right? Trisection means divided into 3 equal parts. And point is given 4, -1, -2, -3. Yes, na? Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
P, Q. Here take A, B. One time I told take this one and this one. One time from here to here and here to here. Right now? Means one time PB, Q. One time P, A and Q. Right now? 1, 1, 1. So one time 1. This is 2. This is 2. This is 1.
1.
Yesterday only I have told, right?
Yes, sir.
Acha. So now just apply the section formula. Apply the section formula and get the answer. Right. So first we are trying to find point A. Trying to find point A.
A.
So assuming A is equal to x, y. A is equal to
X, Y.
this is x1, y1, x2,
Y2.
y2,
Yes, sir.
x2,
Y2.
y2, and this is m, this is
N.
n. True? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now apply the same formula. Apply the
Same one.
same formula. So x is equal to
MX
m into minus 2. M is 1.
1.
M is
1.
and mx2. So minus 2. Minus 2 plus n x1. So 2 for the 8
8.
by how much? M plus n.
1, 2.
1.
Yes or no?
Sir.
So this become 6 by 3 is equal to 2. X is equal to
2.
2. Getting? Chalo, next. Y, right? Y is equal to m y2. M
Y2.
y2 means m is 1, y2 is minus 3. So minus 3. Yes or no? Minus
3.
3. Then n y1. So n is minus 2. Minus 2 into, sorry, n is 2 minus 1. Minus 2. So this become minus 2 by 1 plus 2 is equal to minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3. So here we get y. So coordinate A we have 2 comma minus 5 by 3. 2 comma minus 5 by
3.
3. Getting?
Sir.
Achha, next. Now we should find the point B. Should find point
B.
B. This is coordinate of A. Coordinate of A. Now coordinate of B. Coordinate of point B. So now this is x comma y. X comma
Y.
this is m. This is
N.
n. Yes na?
Yes, sir.
Now x is equal to m x2. So 2 2 is minus 4. Yes or no? M is 2. This is also minus 2. 2 2 is 4. Minus 4. Then n x1. N x1. So 1 into 4 is 4.
4.
By 2 plus 1. So 4 get cancelled. This become 0. This become 0. Now y is equal to m y2. So 2 3 is minus 6. Minus 6. N y1. N y1. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 7 by 3. So here you get coordinate B is equal to 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Done. Question number 3. Question number 3 is some kind of activity. Some kind of
Activity.
activity. Is it visible? And too much of long question. Nothing is there in this. Just saying to find the distance. Just saying to find the
Distance.
distance. So this much big question you see. I don't want to read now at least. Now go on the question number 4. Question number,
4.
and generally this kind of question is not at all possible to ask in exam. Activity kind of question. Correct?
Sir.
So just I am ignoring it. Question number 4. Find the ratio in which line segment this and this divided by point. Means here in this question ratio was given. Ratio was
Given.
given. Here given trisection. Now that coordinate is given. You should find the ratio. Coordinate is given. You should find the ratio. This kind of question also we have done. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now points are given. Minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8. 6 comma minus 8 divided by saying minus 1 comma 6. Minus 1 comma 6. Yes na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now how we do? In this kind of question we assume this is k and this is 1. K is to 1 we assume. Yes or no? Write the name. This is x1 y1. x2
Y2.
y2. This is x comma
Y.
y. This is m, this is
N.
n. Yes, now in this kind of question, either you find the value of x or y, we will get the answer of both, right? Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
So say I'm just writing x value. Just writing x. X is m x2, so 6k. Yes, na? 6k plus n x1, so minus 3 by k plus 1 by,
K plus 1.
and x is equal to how much? X is equal to how much?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3 by k plus
Plus 1.
1. Getting or not? Now do the cross multiplication. Minus k minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. So bring this k this side. Bring this k
This side.
this side. Minus k minus 6k minus
6K.
is equal to minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3. Yes, na? This side minus 1, this side plus 1. So this is minus 2, this is minus 7k. Yes or no? Minus minus get cancel. K is equal to 2 by 7. K is equal to
2 by 7.
means k is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 7. If you find the y value also, even then you will get same only. Just I am writing, you people try. Y is equal to how much? K into minus 8, so minus 8k. M x y2, right?
So,
Minus 8k. Then minus 1 into 10 plus 10 by k plus 1, and here y is equal to 6. So 6 is equal to minus 8k plus 10 by k plus
10.
1. Correct? If you simplify here also you'll get the
Same.
same value. Copied? Copied? Question number 5.
5.
Saying find the ratio in which line segment A, how much? 1 comma 5, 1 comma
5.
minus 5, and B minus 4 comma 5, minus 4 comma 5 divided by the x-axis, divided by the
X-axis.
x-axis.
Right.
Also find the coordinate of the point of division. Also find the coordinate of the point of
Division.
division. Acha, this is divided by x-axis. Divided by
X-axis.
x-axis. X-axis means value of y will be 0. Value of y will be
0.
x-axis on x-axis. Coordinate will be how? X comma 0. X comma
0.
0 means think whatever ratio is this. Whatever,
Ratio.
but this is crossing through x-axis. Crossing through
X-axis.
means this coordinate will be x comma 0. X comma
0.
0 because y value is not possible here. Here P, Q, R. Y value is
Equal.
not possible. Y value is not
Possible.
possible. What we will do, we will find first y only. We will find first,
Y.
assume the ratio k is to 1. Let the ratio be k is to
1.
1. We will find y only. This is x1, y1. Sorry, xy, right? xy. x1, y1. x2, y2. If I write here x1, y1, then what will happen? If I write here x1, y1, then what will happen?
The both will be same, sir.
Then here I will write xy. Doesn't matter. Name only, man. I can write anything. Or we are giving name, right? So write anything. Yes or no? So find the y. Because y coordinate is given 0, so we can able to find easily, right? No need to waste the time. So y is equal to
0.
m y2. M
Y2.
y2 means 4 y2 is 5, right? So 5k plus n y1 minus 5 by k plus 1 by
K plus
k plus 1. Y is equal to 0. Y is equal to
0.
0 means y is equal to 0. If we bring this side, k plus 1 also become 0. K plus 1 also become
0.
0. Then bring this minus 5 this side. So 5k is equal to 5. K is equal to 1. 5 5 get cancel. K is equal to get
1.
1. Now means ratio is K is to 1 is equal to 1 is to 1. Done? Yes or no? Question number
5.
6. 5 to done only.
Done, sir.
Question number
6.
6. What is in question number 6? If 1 comma 2 4 comma y x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, then find x and y. Then saying find x and
Y.
y. So first draw parallelogram. So let's draw here.
Sir.
Leave. We have the big board, right? We should use. So 1 comma 2 4 comma y x comma 6 3 comma 5 a b c d. Wow, Prajwal have told something correct. I'm really happy, man. At least you can say a b c d. Correct. Saying to find the value of x and y. Acha. We know in the parallelogram, a diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. We know. Yesterday also I told you, diagonal of a parallelogram bisects each other in the ratio of 1:1. Bisect each other means it will be 1:1 only. Right. So draw the diagonal. Draw the diagonal. Means this is 1, this is also 1, this is 1, this is also
1.
1. Correct na? Means it is bisecting each. That means which formula we will apply? Section formula or midpoint formula?
Midpoint formula.
Midpoint formula. Yes na? So for this line AC, for AC we are finding for
AC.
AC means x1 plus x2 1 plus x by 2 comma 2 plus 6 by 2. Yes or no? This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. Yes na? Acha, if you find for this AC, sorry, not AC. AC do you find it, right? For BD, 3 plus 4 by 2 x coordinate and y coordinate, y plus 5 by 2. Yes na? Yes or no? Now at this point x comma y you should find. Correct na? At this point for this line also x and for this line also x will be same only. Will be same. And y also will be same.
So,
Correct na? So we get 2 coordinate. This is for x, this is for y. This is for x, this is for y. Can we compare x and x? Can we compare x and x? Why can't? Both are same only. So compare here 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 7. 4 plus 3 7 by 2 and this is 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 2 is 4. 8 by 2 is 4 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. We have compared x and we compared y. Correct na? Acha, now do cross multiplication. So 2 plus 2x is equal to 14. Cross multiplication 2 plus 2x, 2 multiplied in both, 2 plus 2x is equal to 14. Yes or no? So 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6. Here 8 is equal to y plus 5. So y is equal to 3, y is equal to
3.
so what we get that coordinate 6 comma 3. 6 comma
3.
3. If this one name is giving O, then O is equal to coordinate of O is equal to 6 comma
3.
3. Done?
8.
Question number
8.
7.
7.
Question number 7 saying find the coordinate of a point where AB is the diameter of a circle. AB is the diameter
Of a circle.
circle. This is AB, right? AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma
-3.
minus 3 and B is B is 1 comma 4. This is given 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4. Then what we should find? Read the question again. Find the coordinate of point A. Acha. We should find the coordinate of point A where AB is the diameter of the circle. Center is given and point B is also given. Correct na? Means this is you should find. So x comma y you should write. X is equal to x comma y. Acha. We know if it is diameter, diameter means AO is equal to OB because both are radius. Both are radius and radius will be equal. Radius will be
Equal.
here equal, right? So only I written AO is equal to OB means this is divided into 1:1 ratio. 1:1 ratio. Acha. So if it divided equally, which formula apply? Section formula or midpoint formula?
Section.
Section.
Divided equally means midpoint formula.
Midpoint one.
Means x1 plus x2 by 2. Yes na? y1 plus y2 by 2.
2.
Simple, right? So x plus 1 by 2. This is x, value of x. Value of
X.
or because we have taken x here, take x only, then take here x1 and y1 take here. x1 1.
Y1.
So value of x1 because it will look both same. Look both
Same.
same. So now we have changed. So x1 is equal to this and y1 is equal to y plus 4 by 2. Yes na? Are yes or no?
Yes,
What is the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the section midpoint formula. True or not?
Yes, sir.
Now x1 value is 2, y1 value is
3.
minus 3. Correct na? So y1 is minus 3 is equal to y plus 4 by 2 and here x1 is how much? 2 is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Yes or no? Now find it just 2 2 ja 4 is equal to x plus 1. So x is equal to bring this one this side. 4 minus 1 how much?
3.
X is equal to 3. Minus x is equal to y plus 4. Y plus 4. Bring this 4 this side. Minus 4. So y is equal to minus 6 minus 4 minus 10. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we get the value of x and
Y.
y. See question number next. Question number 8 is saying if point A and B,
B.
B, if A and B are respectively, find the coordinate of point P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB and P lies on the point. P lies on the line. Correct na? Means one ratio is given, something is given. Correct na? Question is if we get the ratio, like in which ratio these two are dividing. Correct? We can able to find this P. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like all question, if we used to assume this is k is to 1, then we used to find this coordinate. Correct? But this coordinate is also not given and ratio also not given. Yes sir. So if we can able to find at least ratio, we can able to find this coordinate. Yes or no? So AP is given. AP is given. Try to find BP. Try to find BP. How will find? If this part is 3 by 7 of the full part. If only this part, AP, only this part is 3 by 7 of full part. Means this part will be 1 minus this one. This total is 1. This total is
1.
this one is given. This one is given. So this one will be 1 minus this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Simple example. If this is 25, this total is 1 rupees. Total is
1 rupees.
and this is 25 paisa. So how much this one? 100 minus 25 paisa. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 1 minus 2. So here BP is equal to 1 minus 3 by 7 AB. 1 minus 3 by 7 AB. So 4 by 3 AB. 4 by 7 AB. 4 by 7. Yes na? We have taken 7.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
or instead of a this one, write ab only, ab minus 3 by 7 ab, total minus this one is subtracted, so we get 4 by 7 ab. Now we should find the ratio ap by bp. If we get the ratio, it's easy, right? So ap is how much? 3 by 7 ab. bp is how much? 4 by 7 ab. Yes na? Cancel, become 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means ap is to bp is equal to 3 is to 4.
Yes, sir.
3 is to
4.
we get the ratio 3 is to
4.
4. If we get the ratio, now it's easy. Yes or no? So for finding p, assume this is x, y, m, n, x1, y1, x2, y2. So x is equal to how much? X is equal to 3 into 2 6 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8. Yes na?
Sir.
By 3 plus 4. 3 plus
4.
4 means minus 1 minus 2 by 7. Minus 2 by
7.
7. Next, y is equal to 4 into minus 2 minus 8. Yes na?
Yes, sir.
Are yes or no? Then 3 into minus 4 minus 12 minus means minus 20 by 7. This we get coordinate of point P. Minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7. Done? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Doubt?
No, sir.
See, question number 9. Saying find the coordinate of the points which divided the line segment this and this into 4 equal part. Into, like last question, some question we have done like 3 equal parts, right? Here saying 4 equal parts. So no difference, just time pass. Nothing important in this. Means nothing important like new concept. 1, 2, 3. Become 4 part? Yes or no? So points are given minus 2 comma 2 and given 2 comma 8. 2 comma 8 and saying divided into 4 equal part. Correct na? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So just you should find give the name something. This is P, Q, R. We should find all P, Q, R. So find all P, Q, R. Now means all are 1 1, right? Equal means all are 1 1. So if you are finding P, so this is 1 part and this full is 1 part. Means this is 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3. In the all situation we will do the same thing. Are yes or no?
No.
Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No.
Okay. So now find P. Coordinate of P. So here x, x1, y1, x2, y2. This is m, n, and assume this P is x comma y.
Y.
P is x comma.
Y.
Correct? Just find x coordinate. So m, x2. M,
X2.
x2. So 1 into 2 is 2
Sir.
plus n, x1. So 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 by 1 plus m plus n. Correct na? Means x is equal to, this is minus 4. Minus 4 by 4. Means x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Next, y is equal to, correct na? M, y2 means 8 plus n, y1. 3 to the 6 by 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. So 8 plus 6, 14 by 4. 14 by 4. So this become how much? 7, 2. So 7 by 2. Means coordinate of point 2 you have, coordinate of point P we have get minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Yes na? Same like that you can find for the Q also. You can find for the
Q also.
Q. For Q, what will happen? See, one part will be this much. One part will be
This much.
and one part will be this much. Correct na? Means half half. This is 2 and this is also 2. This is 2 and this is also 2. Means the both are equal. Means we can apply the midpoint formula. If both are equal, we can apply the midpoint formula. Means x is equal to x1 plus x2. x1 plus
X2.
means minus 2 plus 2 by 4 by
4.
yes or no?
Yes, sir.
M plus n.
Yes,
So
sir.
2 plus 2 is 4 and comma 2 y is equal to 2 plus 8 by 4. So this becomes 0. This become 0. 8 plus 2 10. So y is equal to 10 by 4 means 5 by 2. So here q coordinate will be 0 comma 5 by 2. Yes or no? Next, this r will be this part means 1 and this much part is 3. Yes or no? Means 3 is to 1. 3 is to
1.
means by applying the same formula you can able to find. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So okay. Question number 10. Question number,
10.
see here saying find the area of rhombus if its vertices are this much taken in order. Correct. We should find the area of the rhombus. And area of rhombus is what? This is rhombus, right? Given A 3 comma 0, B 4 comma 5, C minus 1 comma 4, minus 1 comma 4, and D minus 2 minus 1. Correct. Saying to find the area of the rhombus. So area of rhombus is equal to what? Area of rhombus is equal to one by 2 into product of diagonal. Product of diagonals. Correct na? Acha. So this is a diagonal and this is also diagonal. So is that you should apply section formula here? Is that you should apply section formula? Why? Say they are saying the product of diagonal means they should find the distance of diagonal. We should find the distance of diagonal. So we'll find the both diagonal by distance formula and multiply with 1 by 2. Yes or no? Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So just find. So find AC first. Find
AC.
AC.
Yes.
Root over x2 minus x1 square.
Yes, sir.
See? So means 3 plus 1 square. Yes na? Plus 0 plus 4 square. Means 16 plus 16. 16 plus 16 is equal to root over 32. Root over 32 can be written as 16 into 2.
Yes, sir.
16 into 16 into 2 means 4 root 2. 4 root 2. Acha. Next find BC. BC is equal to minus 2 minus 2. That is 4, right? Yes na? Minus 2 plus 4 square plus minus 1 plus 5 square. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No. x2 minus x1. x2
Minus x1.
minus x1. So this is 36. This is
36.
plus minus 6. Minus 6 square is 36. Plus this is also 36. Yes na? Yes or no? Means see root over 72. Root over
72.
or 2 into 36. Yes or no? Means 6 root 2. 6 root 2. Now area is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 root 2 into 6 root 2. Yes or no? From this 2 get cancelled
Yes, sir.
because root 2 into root 2 is 2. Correct. So 6 4 ja 24 square unit. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So now your exercise 7.2 get
Over.
over.